Hello everyone, welcome to our today's video in which we will talk about privacy automation and understand that why modern privacy programs cannot stay manual. Privacy used to be managed through policies, spreadsheets, and manual follow ups, but that approach no longer works in a world where organizations collect, store, and process personal data across more systems than ever before. In 2026, privacy is not just about documentation. It is about continuously managing personal data, consent, risk, and accountability in a way that keeps up with the business. And as privacy regulations grow more strict and data breaches become more common, manual privacy operations become harder to sustain. Whether organizations are working towards GDPR, CPRA, CPA, HIPAA, India's DPDPA, or ISO 27701, which is PIMS, the challenge remains the same. Privacy has to become operational, not manual. The challenge is not only the amount of data, it is the complexity around it. Teams need to know what personal data they collect, where it flows, who processes it, what consent applies, what risk is there, and how to respond when obligations change. When all of that is handled manually, privacy becomes slower, harder to prove, and more exposed to error. Automation helps make privacy work in a more structured, more traceable, and easier way to maintain over time. So, what does privacy automation look like in practice? It starts with building a connected workflow around the core privacy functions. That includes managing the full consent lifecycle, maintaining ROPA, which is record of processing activities, running DPIA and PIA, which are your privacy impact assessments, building your data flow diagrams, tracking your PII at the data element level. So instead of handling these activities across disconnected documents and spreadsheets, privacy automation connects them. Consent links to processing, processing links to data flows, and these data flows connect to PII. And then privacy assessments connect risk, controls, and evidence in one operational workflow. These are the workflows organizations need to operationalize privacy across multiple frameworks through one connected system. AI makes that workflow even stronger. Modern privacy automation uses AI to reduce manual work, improve consistency, and speed up privacy operation. It helps organizations work faster on activities like data mapping, compliance reporting, risk monitoring, and identifying potential privacy issues earlier. That means teams spend less time on repetitive privacy work and more time on decisions that actually reduce risk and improve accountability. This is where Controllo fits in perfectly and brings privacy automation into one connected system. Teams can manage the full consent management workflow, maintain ROPA, run their DPIAs and PIA workflows, build their data flow diagrams, and track their PII obligations at the data element level. So instead of managing privacy through scattered documents and manual follow up, teams can operationalize privacy through one structured workflow that connects your data, risk, and evidence. And to add on to that, with Secura, which is Controllo's AI engine, adds control validation to that workflow. A control review, which often takes about 25 to 30 minutes when done manually, can be evaluated in under a minute using Secura. Secura helps teams to validate evidence against the control's requirements, identifies gaps faster, and reduces the manual burden on privacy and compliance teams. That means faster reviews, earlier insights, and a more scalable way to be audit ready. Modern privacy cannot stay manual, not when data is growing, obligations are expanding, and organizations need faster, more intelligent ways to stay compliant. So, if you want to know more or get a free trial of our platform to experience it firsthand, do connect with us. Thank you.